welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today's video is all about extra virgin olive oil, one of my favorite ingredients and something that I think is fairly underrated. We are talking not only about the health benefits of extra virgin olive oil, but we are also going to be using it 3 different ways. And as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm actually just keeping things pretty simple, and I'm going to show you 3 delicious salad dressing recipes. The dressing recipes that I have for you, I think, are on the creative flavor-wise side, and I'm really excited for you to try them because I think you're really gonna like them. I'm also thrilled to say that today's sponsor is Pompeian. Pompeian is an amazing company that has a deep history in the olive oil business, and their mission is to help people eat and live well by delivering the best tasting, highest quality olive oils to your family table. So I think they are obviously the perfect partner for today's video. And we are going to start the video by talking about the benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Then we'll jump into the salad dressing recipes, and then I will come back and share a little bit more information about Pompeian. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in and get started with today's video. So the first health benefit that we're going to talk about today is in regards to your gut. And extra virgin olive oil has a ton of healthy compounds inside that help support a healthy gut and support the microbes in your gut. So olive oil is an amazing thing to incorporate into your diet. It can also help to fight bloat as well as aiding your digestion. So that's the first health benefit of extra virgin olive oil. The second one that I want to talk to you about today is that extra virgin olive oil actually helps boost mood as well as improve focus, which I think is really important if you are somebody that's working at home in a very distractible environment. In addition to the improved concentration, extra virgin olive oil has also been shown in multiple studies to have a positive impact on your mood, and that is because of the antioxidants in extra virgin olive oil, and those have been shown to enhance key brain functions as well as support your brain. So as you can see, there are so many amazing benefits to extra virgin olive oil, and those are just 2. There are many, many others. As I mentioned, we are using Pompeian's robust extra virgin olive oil in today's video. It's created by Pompeian's olive oil craftsmen and farmers. It has a really rich, robust flavor, as the name suggests. So that's the one that we're using today, but they also have a ton of other products on their website, which I have tried and love. So if you want to check that out, I've linked that information down below. So without further ado, I'm sure you're anxious to get to the recipes. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I'm going to show you how to make 3 delicious salad dressing recipes. So first up, we have our maple DIJON vinaigrette. We are using Pompeian's robust extra virgin olive oil, the juice of half of a lemon, salt and pepper, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and apple cider vinegar. And we are just going to add everything directly into a bowl, or like you could do here, a Pyrex measuring cup. And once you have everything mixed in, you are going to use a little whisk to whisk it all together to get it all emulsified. And once it is emulsified and smooth, you can just pour it into your salad dressing container and enjoy. This one has a little bit of a sweetness to it, so it's great with fall flavored salads, so something with apple or butternut squash or sweet potato. I love it on top of Buddha bowls as well. Next is our basil pesto vinaigrette, and again we are using the Pompeian robust extra virgin olive oil, as well as some pine nuts, a clove of garlic, some nutritional yeast, some lemon, some white wine vinegar, basil, and salt and pepper. And this one we are actually going to make in a blender, so you're going to add every single ingredient into the blender. I like to start with the liquid, so starting with that robust extra virgin olive oil, followed by your vinegar, and then the rest of your ingredients. And then you will pop the lid on your blender and blend this up until it is smooth and creamy. And one of the unique things about this extra virgin olive oil, the robust flavor specifically, is that it is perfect for salads and marinades because it is high in monounsaturated fats and it has that really rich, robust flavor. It just pairs perfectly with those 2 things, and that's why I love using it for these dressings. Once you have it smooth and creamy, again, you are going to pour this into your dressing container. I like to keep these in mason jars if I'm keeping them in the fridge. And this one is delicious on greens, just plain. It is so, so good. I also love it on top of pasta, like a pasta salad, or it's great with another grain salad. Last but not least is our orange sesame vinaigrette. We are going to again be using the Pompeian robust extra virgin olive oil. We also are going to be using some orange juice, some tamari, some fresh ginger, a little bit of toasted sesame oil, as well as some brown rice vinegar. And just like the first one, this one is going to be made in a dish or glass container. You're basically just going to add every ingredient into that dish, starting with your olive oil and then followed by your orange juice, etc. And then you can use a little whisk. I'll link the one that I have down below for you, and just whisk it all up until everything is combined and emulsified. And again, just like the last two, we are going to pour this into our container or glass jar or whatever you're going to use to store the dressing. And that's pretty much it. I love this one with Asian-inspired ingredients. It's great on top of soba noodles. It's great with peanut-flavored things. It's amazing as a coleslaw dressing with cabbage and carrots and scallions. It's super flavorful, a little tangy, and really delicious. And there you have it, my friends. That is today's video all about extra virgin olive oil. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which dressing you are going to try first. I think you're gonna love them all, but I'm really curious which one speaks to you the most. So let me know down in the comments. I also wanna thank Pompeian for joining us in today's video. As I've said throughout this video, they are an incredible company. They were founded in 1906, so they have an incredible history in this business. They are also farmer owned, and they operate as a family of olive farmers and craftsmen, which I just adore. I love the ethos of what they are about. I think that including farmers is just it's such an important part of business, and I love companies that put an emphasis on that. And if you do want to learn more about them, I have linked their information down below. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions for me about anything that we talked about today, you can drop those down in the comments. My comments are an open book, so if you have any questions or anything, you're always free to ask in the comments. Anything that I mentioned today, like recipes or links or anything, that's all in the description box for you. So you can just click that show more and that will open up the description box and you can make the recipes if you'd like. I also just want to say thank you for taking some time out of your day to be here with me on YouTube. It means the world to me. I appreciate your support and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will talk to you guys very soon. Have an awesome rest of your day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.